Hello, hello. Testing, testing. I think the volume is good. Hi, hello. What's up? Why is my head looking down on my model? Let me fix that real quick. Okay, that's better. Hi, what's up? Also, hello in a long time, YouTube viewers. Finally got the YouTube stream working again. My earbuds just fell down. Give me a second. Oh, hello. Okay, I had a sudden change of plans for what I wanted to do today. So originally I wanted to go over some new Microsoft coding questions, right? I think change of plans. Today I want to do a review of past Microsoft questions that tripped me up. The reason being I have another interview today that I really want to pass, so I want to conserve my mental energy for 2 p.m. today PST. Yeah. So we'll just do a review of past difficult Microsoft questions that tripped us up as review. Yeah. Okay, let's go. There's one question that I have starred here. So there's like two tiers of questions, right? One that I just write down and one that I write down and star. The starred ones are the most difficult ones. Okay. The one starred one I have is Leetcode 31. Leetcode 31. We don't have too many starred questions yet. For Facebook, I had like 2. For TikTok, how much did I have? I don't have access to that now. Oh well. But yeah, this is the only starred one I have currently. Oh, I remember this. And I don't think I remember the solution. Haha. So, give me a moment while I sign in. But yeah, how's your guys' day going? Hope it's going well. I had a good night of sleep yesterday. I caught a Magnetite Pokemon Sleep. I also caught a Cyndaquil and a Ghastly, which is pretty cool. Okay, we back. Next permutation. Okay, I remember this question, not the solution though. A permutation of an array of integers is an arrangement of its members into a sequence or linear order. For example, for r equals 1, 2, 3, the following are all the permutations of r. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. For example, the next permutation of r is r 1, 2, 3 is 1, 3, 2. Wait, there was a rule I missed. The next permutation of an array of integers is the next lexicographically greater permutation of its integer. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. If you turn this into numbers, 1, 2, 3 is smaller than 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 3 is smaller than 2, 3, 1, and then 3, 2, 1 is the biggest of all. Then the next permutation of that array is the permutation that follows it in the sorted container. If such arrangement is not possible, the array must be rearranged as the lowest possible order. Okay. Okay. This one was really difficult. I think it's more useful to think about it in like, okay, so like 1, 2, 3. How do we get to the next one? It's 1, 3, 2. We swapped the last two, right? What about like 1, 3, 2 to 1, 3, 2 to 2, 1, 3. Two, 3, 3, 1. One, 3, 2 to 2, 1, 3. Okay, it's starting to come back. So from memory, what the algorithm is, I would search from the right to left and find the first pair that are in ascending order like this. So search from right to left. Find first pair of ascending order. So in this case, it will be 1, 3. So we have a chance of making this just slightly bigger by replacing the 1 with the 2. So let's call this pair like left, right. We replace the left one with the number just bigger than it on the right. And how do we do this? We go from right to left again. If it's bigger than it, because we find the first pair that are in ascending order, right? So it's like, so the rest of the number is guaranteed to be in descending order. Yeah. With first number bigger than it from the right. Yeah, so this is a bad example because it's kind of short, but this is technically in descending order, like 0, 1, 2. So you can just search from right to left and take the first one that's bigger than it and then swap it out. So after you get this, you get 1, 3, 2 becomes 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, which is not right. And we want to turn into 2, 1, 3. So what you want to do is reverse all numbers to after the left place. You guess after index of left. And the reason being, we want it to be the number just bigger than this, right? So to make it as small as possible while being bigger than this, we need to sort it in descending order. Wait, ascending order. Smaller digits in the front to minimize its value. Okay, I think I remember the algorithm. Barely understand it though. Okay, give me one moment. Okay, let's start trying to code this. So we need to search from right to left and find the first pair that's in ascending order. Wait, what was the intuition behind this again? The rest is guaranteed to be in descending order, right? So that's the max it can already be. Oh, okay. If it's in ascending order, we can make it bigger. Okay. Man, this is hard to think about. But anyways. For int I is equal to nums.length minus, I guess, 2 maybe? Let's do -1, the right element. Or should we do the left element? Let's do the left element. I feel like the left element is more useful. Left element is equal to nums.length minus 2, while left is greater than or equal to 0, left minus minus. And if nums left is in ascending order, so less than nums right again, I think the intuition is we have a chance of making this bigger. In a minimal way. And if this is true, we break. Yeah. Okay, let's do a sanity check. Let's print out what our left and right is. Left is... oh, bam. Left plus 1. We'll move this outside into left. Left is 0, 1. In ascending order, yes, that's true. Left is -1, very good. 1, 0, 1, yes, very good. Reborn Forever 22 says, hey, good luck with the puzzles. Thank you, that's very nice of you. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Okay, now we need to swap the left with the first number bigger than it from the right. Okay, we need to find that number too. Find that number. Okay, we start from the for int I. What should we name this? Just bigger is equal to nums.length -1 maybe. Start at the last index. While just bigger is greater than 0 maybe. Is greater than the left index, just bigger, minus minus. Okay, so if just bigger is greater than the left, and we need to compare the values, not the indices. Num just bigger is greater than nums left, and we break again because we need the first number that fulfills this, the first number that's just bigger than it. And then we use a helper function swap for, let's input nums just bigger and left. Cool. And then in the end, we reverse all the numbers after the index of left. Very cool. Nums left, we'll do a helper function again. Let's delete all these useless comments. Okay, helper function time. Let's do swap. Private swap. We input the array nums and the two indices to swap. So int I, int j. Let's do a temporary variable with I. So I temp is equal to nums I nums I will set equal to nums j, and the nums j will set to what was originally the value of I. Okay. I want to do just a sanity check again. Let's print out what happens after the first swap. System.out.println arrays.toString. We will print out just nums. Run that thing. This will not be correct, but just bigger. Oh, just bigger needs to be on the outside. So we can still access in scope later. This becomes nothing. And once again, I cannot spell. Very common problem. In line 24, where? Num's just bigger. -1 out of bounds. Oh. Oh, wait, we're not supposed to do it here. We have nothing to swap. There's no first ascending one. -1. I see, I see. So if the left is greater than or equal to 0, then you do this whole swapping thing. And then you reverse it regardless. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Case 1 and 3 pass. I think it's because those are simpler cases though. Okay. The first ascending is this one, so we swap. The first ascending pair is this one, so we swap 3 and 2. That's correct. 3, 2, 1, -1. First ascending pair is -1. So we don't swap anything, yeah. First ascending pair is 1, 5, so we swap 5 and 1. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, next we need to reverse all of the numbers. Very cool. Private void reverse, we'll take in the array again called nums and the int I to start reversing on. Yeah. We will reverse everything after this. Okay, so we'll probably need 2 pointers, right? Int start is equal to I plus 1. Int end pointer is equal to nums.length minus 1. And then while the start is less than the end, there's no point in swapping same integer. We will do swap the start. Wait, we pass in the array first and then the start pointer, the end pointer. And we can't forget to increment our pointers to start plus plus and minus minus. Run that thing. Oh, it's gonna be the same, wouldn't it? Reified says, hey Chet, how's it going? I'm doing good. How are you doing, Reified? I'm just doing a Microsoft review day today because I have another interview at 2 p.m. today. I want to take it easy on my mental capabilities. Save my energy for the interview. This is supposed to be a while loop. But yeah, how are you today, Reified? Hope you're doing good. You solved your 400th problem today. Hey, let's go. That's pretty big. 400? I don't think I've solved 400 either. Am I able to check how much I've solved? Oh, I've solved 110. Dang, you're really far ahead. Very nice. $400. Oh look, it worked. Let's go. Did you talk to MSHR? What's MS? Microsoft? Oh. How do I answer that? I didn't think people would be asking that question. I guess, yeah, I did. That's why I'm doing this. Today's not the Microsoft interview, though. No. Today's the... I don't know if you watched my YouTube shorts, but today's the Chime interview. The one where the recruiter had a good laugh with me. Okay, looks like it worked, boys. Let's go. We can make it faster though with commenting out these print statements. Hey, let's go. It feels weird disclosing my who I'm actually interviewing with on stream though. I guess y'all can guess, right? Why the heck is he grinding Microsoft questions? Awfully suspicious, targeting just one company. I guess it feels kind of weird talking about what interviews I'm doing too, because it's like a lot of people don't get this opportunity too, and I feel like I'm just like boasting or something. Yeah, feels kind of weird. And then now y'all are gonna ask if I passed the interview, which there's a high chance I'm not. But oh well. Okay, what's the next question I recorded? 253. Leetcode 253. Leetcode 253. Meeting rooms 2. Oh, this is a premium problem. Let me switch to my brother's account real quick. Leetcode 253. Let's reset this too. Okay, given an array of meeting time intervals where intervals is equal to start end, return the minimum number of conference rooms required. Okay, we kind of have to simulate this, right? I think I have an inkling of what to do. Reified says, I see you quietly compete with other people, but why you have not once tried Leetcode contest because you can't stream it? Oh, that's a good question. Why haven't I done Leetcode contest? Yeah, probably. Maybe that's one reason I can't stream it. Honestly, I haven't been paying too much attention to it too. Leetcode. Yeah, it's more fun to do with people, I guess, that I can talk to and suffer with. It's in 4 days, apparently. What's 4 days? 3 days, 21 hours. Wait, 21 hours? So it was 3 hours before this? It was in the morning? What time are Leetcode contests? 8 p.m. IST. Oh, 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. IST. 8 p.m. IST to PST. Oh my god. That's way too early. What about the 8 a.m. one? Isn't that somewhere in the evening? Oh, that's better. Yeah. That's like lunchtime for me though. Oh, I think I remember now too. The times are always a bit awkward for me. Yeah. And also it's more fun to do it with, people I can talk to. Yeah. I think those are the two main reasons. For you, better option is weekly in the evening. Yeah. This one is right at the edge of my dinner time. Yeah. I think that's the reason I haven't been doing it. Timing is a bit awkward. Yeah. Just a bunch of tiny reasons. Can't stream it. I am really interested though. Like, getting your elo up sounds really cool though. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll drag myself out of dinner early and then try it. Okay, meeting rooms 2. Given an array of meeting time intervals for intervals is that. Return the minimum number of conference rooms required. Okay, we simulated this with a priority queue, right? Where it's sorted based on the end time. So we can always get the meeting that's most likely to end. Yeah. I remember we sorted all these based on start time, right? So we add them one by one into the queue. The ones in the queue are guaranteed to have started before me. Yeah. How did we remove them from the queue though? I totally forgot to do this. So 0:30, it's in the queue first. We see 5:10. So we're like, okay, 30. That meeting hasn't ended yet, so I have to put myself in the queue. What about 15:20? The one that just ended, or most likely to end, ends at 10. Okay, so pop that one out, put me back in. Okay, I think that's a plan. Priority queue. Integer. PQ is equal to new priority queue. Okay, and then we need to sort everything, right? Arrays.sort intervals with comparator.comparing. Make this a whole new line. Here we have a interval, and we sort them by the end time, so interval 1. Dragon says, oh, line sweep? What's a line sweep? Okay, for every int array interval in my sorted intervals list. Okay, I have to be careful here. There's two possibilities, right? One is there's space for me. There's no space for me. Okay. Oh, and also no meetings yet. Okay. So this one is easy. We'll just if priority queue dot is empty, then you add the current interval into the queue. Queue dot add the interval. If there's space for me, meaning I can replace the current meeting, replace existing meeting. So if pq dot is a peak, 1 is less than my start time. So if its end time is less than my start time, interval I guess I can recomment this as a meeting ended. So if the meeting's end time is less than my start time, then I can use that meeting. pq.poll pq.add me the interval. Else if there's no space for me, else pq.add interval. I feel so paranoid right now. I have no sanity checks or anything. How do I even sanity check this in between? And then you return pq.length. Wait, size? I remember that I remember for some reason I don't need to keep track of the max size in PQ. Is it because the room size never goes down? Like the PQ size never goes down? So if I have no meetings, I can add a room. Okay, that's plus. I can replace a room that was previously being used, or I can add a room. Yeah, there's no notion of taking out rooms that have ended, right? Okay. Compile error. What is this? Expected. Oh, I see. Semicolon. I thought I messed up on comparators again. Add interval. Oh, this is wrong. It's supposed to be a array. Wait, what? Cannot be cast to comparable? What? I have no idea what this error means. Java priority queue arrays. So you can do this. Heap is equal to new priority queue. Comparing interval. Oh. I know what's going on. I'm missing a comparator here. No. Okay, and I'm not sorting this correctly too. I'm supposed to be sorting this based on the start times. And then in the priority queue, I sort them based on the end times. Output 3 expected 2, output 2 expected 1. Return the minimum number of conference rooms required. By the way, my phone is running out of battery. Can I charge it like this? It's so awkward. Why is it outputting 3? So arrays.sort, I'm sorting them by... Okay, let's do a sanity check here. System.out.println. I want to print out all the intervals, so... For interval and intervals, arrays.toString interval. Okay, I got 0, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20. That's correct. 2, 4, 7, 10. Okay, that's right. Priority queue. Interval. We sort them from priority queue. We sort them based on when they're most likely going to leave, right? So the first one here should be nothing. If priority queue is empty, so here we add 0, 30. If a meeting has ended, if pq.peak end time is less than my current start time, pq.poll. Is pq.poll the right method? Java priority queue poll. Okay, it removes it too. That's correct. Oh. Is it else if? I shouldn't run these. Yeah, I shouldn't run these. If the PQ is already empty and I added it, It shouldn't run this. Run. Hey, there we go. That was my issue. No. What is this? 113, 13.5. Oh, I see. Expected 1. I see. So this does not count as overlapping. Okay. Less than or equal to, I guess. Use test case run. Very nice. Hey, let's go. It worked. Still kind of pain. Let's remove the print statement. Do we have any other print statements? Don't think so. Let's submit. It's not the best, but it works. Yay. I'll take it. We can check that off. Next up is Leetcode 49. Leetcode 49. Group anagrams. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. What are anagrams? Formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. Oh. Okay. We can sort all the letters, right? And then use it as a key in a hash map. And then the values of the hash map are the list that they belong to. Yeah, okay. I think I know how to do this. I'll need to write a helper function to sort the list too. Okay. Return a list of all the anagrams. Hash map. The key is a string. The value is a list of strings. Need some kind of invariant of string. What do you mean by invariant of string? Constant, unchanging. Oh, okay. For every anagram, we need a constant thing that identifies it, right? Something like a sorted version of. So this would become ANT, that's the key of the map, and an ANT, yeah. Result map is equal to new hash map. And then for every single string s in strs, string sorted is equal to string sort s. Let's make this a helper function. List string grams is equal to the result map dot get or default Let's call this key for clarity. Key. Or we default to a new linked list. Linked list. Okay. And then in the list of anagrams, we add S. And just in case it's not already there, result map dot put key comma grams. Yeah. And then at the end, we put everything into a list of lists. Yeah. List of strings. Result is equal to new linked list. For every how do we iterate through every single value? Java hash map value set. Is it value set? Values, okay. For every list, string, grams in result map dot values. Is that how you do it? Result dot add each list of grams, and then you return result. Okay. Oh, I'm so paranoid again. I haven't done any sanity checks. Private string sort. Which will return a string. What do we do here? We convert it into a character array, right? And then we sort it. Okay. Java sort string. Oh, that's too long. No. Oh, look. I will copy this. Steal the code. Okay, string s is the string to sort. To characters is s.toCharacter array. Arrays.sort characters. String sorted is equal to new string characters. And then we just return sorted. Nice. Run that thing. See how many compilation errors we have. There's no way. I got it on the first try. I got it on the first try. That's crazy. And it's pretty fast too, look. Whoa. No errors. Oh, hey, Brime. Brime, what are you doing here? No errors, let's go. Hey, what's up? Good morning, Brime. I didn't know you were looking here. Huh. Well, you caught me at... Brime says, hey, Chet. Hey, Brime. I've done 3 problems so far. Should I do another one? Leetcode 7 is the last one I've written down. Leetcode 7. Brian says, yeah, I didn't get to say hey last time because I was busy. I see. Oh good, oh good. I think I saw you in some sort of raid too. Oh, we did this last time. I think I remember this. should I do this again? This one's still really fresh in my memory. Return X with its digits reversed. Yeah, that was it. We was doing a game show, I think. Oh, I think I saw that in the collabs list on Discord. Was it like a video game, visual game show? I'm not much of a video games person. And yeah, it didn't pique my interest too much, so I didn't join. I think I remember this problem. We just converted to a character array and then, you know, pointer to the end to the start, appended to a new array, I think. A new character array, yeah. Brian says, yeah, that one, I don't game much either at the moment, but it was fun. Is Circuit Breaker streaming too? Oh. To be honest, I don't know yet. She's either gonna stream and send the VOD to me, or she's gonna not stream and record it. Haven't confirmed yet, but she knows that she has to do one of the two. Yeah. And then for this one, if we have to watch out for if the first character is a negative sign too, right? If it is, we store like a Boolean value saying that this thing is a negative number, and we prepend a negative sign to the entire thing at the end. I think we should store the entire thing in a long too, because yeah, and then we see if it's bigger than integer.max value. If it is, then return 0. Prime says, like what you did with the shaders. The shaders. Thank you. You know what? I don't think I'm going to do this one this time. We did this one yesterday, right? It's still very fresh in my memory. A day ago, yeah. I could still describe the solution from memory. So I don't think I'll do this time. Alright. I think I've completed all the Microsoft questions I wanted to review today then. Yeah. Alright. Before I go, I'm just gonna do some shameless self-promo again. I'm facing off against Circuit Breaker, who is a real senior comp sci major, in a Leetcoding battle on September 26th, 3 p.m. PST. It's gonna be pretty sick. She got that fresh college knowledge for CS. Very cool. As usual, the edited versions of my battles with CJ and Hip Hamster are also out and on my YouTube. I'm not going to understand anything. Yeah, that's probably true. In the edited versions on YouTube, I try to explain it. I will pretend to comment like a sports announcer. That would be actually kind of funny. Like, have you seen one of those, I don't know, basketball announcers try commenting on golf? Golf announcers try commenting on basketball? And LeBron James steps up to the hoop, and that's a bogey. Or provide an anime protagonist's inner monologue. Oh, why isn't this for loop working? Grandpa told me it would work if I believed hard enough. I guess I'm not believing hard enough in the power of Java. Oh, it's all my fault. I should have believed harder in the for loop. Now my friends will look down on me. My father taught me how to program on a typewriter. Focus, Chet. My father taught me how to program a typewriter. This is supposed to be nothing. Why can't I do it? It's okay, calm down, Chet. All you have to do is believe harder, and the code will work. It worked, Grandpa. I believed in the heart of the code and it worked. All I had to do with all this time was to believe. These keys, they've been tampered with. Ugh. No. Ugh. Kaiba must have tampered with my keyboard before the battle. How could I not have seen this coming? Gah. The D and K key have been swapped. Oh no, the enemy is currently hacking me. Guess I have no choice but to hack them back, but harder. Wait, should I start announcing the battles like this too on the edit videos? Gah. How could I not have seen this coming? Grandpa taught me everything. New idea to consider. That's pretty funny, actually. Believe, chat. Believe harder in the heart of the code. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for a coding battle? Yeah. Should I actually do this for my next edit? I think it'll be fun. I'm not sure if it's suit though. I'll think about it. Alright, but I've done all the questions I wanted to go over today. I think it's time for me to leave. Alright, thank you Reified for coming. Thank you Brian for dropping in too. Thank you Dragon. I really appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow? Am I here tomorrow? Yeah, I'll probably be here tomorrow. I might use one of your VODs for the dub episode. Let's go. Yeah, go ahead. Dozo. Be my guest. All of my VODs are free real estate. Alright guys, have a nice day. See ya. Thanks for coming. Bye. Oh, who else is streaming right now? Can I possibly raid someone? To this day, I still have not raided a single person. Yeah, raid. Oh, Lillian Dear VT is on. I'll send you her way. I'm looking to raid Lillian VT. She's like a Russian programming VTuber. I have no idea who's even on. Alright, I'll send you guys to Lillian. See ya. Bye.
Лист — это экипировка. Экипируйте его. А как? Таблица это. Допустим. Ага. Пожалуйста, экипируйте запас броню и оружие остальных сотрудников. То есть я просто раздаю им броню. Ага. М. Задания, которые вы можете выполнять, их не обязательно рекомендуется, так как позволит проводить исследования. Они так посылают меня к мануалу, это очень многообещающе. А, Hey everyone who's raiding. I don't know which language you wanna prefer. Но привет. Here we are slowly starting to play lobotomy. It's my first time. Да.